It's go by the name Kums Official, aka 1 million wasted down. Nigga choose one year, to see a corner and the year, Quag, Maggie Force. I need you go one day, and then this game guy can check out one.
Obi had a remote whatever for me.
Nigga shit, bro.
You're talking about almost 4 points.
One DJ go like I know, but that's what I go get us all the guy. Pick a couple pieces. I'm
walking a machine outside. All as giddy. Niggas also my break because actually attitude unique good colors collection. They got time. The other man. The EP is dropping soon.
Yes, now man. With the 1 million was that EP dropping soon, man. I hope you to stay tuned, man.
Give them the brief.
Hey, listen. Nga bag go. Asamala mapata no bo. Gange BA go.
Hey, what are the game? Ladies and gentlemen, you all know what it is. Attitude Unique Gold Class Collection. I meant for VVIP, royalties and celebrities that have money that can afford. Funny enough, they can afford our products.
Rich shit, man. Believe that 1 million ways to die. Nigga choose one. Go check me out. Kums Official all platforms.
I got on the video.
I swear.
Shut down, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Shut down, baby.
I swear.